my name is Muhammad Naveed. Welcome to my course Programming with C++. This is lecture number 6. In this lecture we will discuss about data types and variables. So there are three categories of types to represent data in C++. These are the fundamental types. These are numbers, boolean and single character. To represent number we use the data type int, short, double, float, long. To represent boolean data type, which is 0 or 1, or true or false, we use the data type or keyword bool. To represent a single character in C++, we use the data type char. Remember, C++ is strongly typed language. This means variable can hold only certain type of values. Variable must be declared before they are used and they cannot change type. For example, we have a variable age which is of data type integer because we are storing 20 in it. Then we can't change the data type of age in future, or we cannot assign any value other than the integer to age. Here age is equal to abc is invalid. So here is the memory management scheme of C++ for different data types. We have two variants for each data type, unsigned and signed. By unsigned we mean we can only store positive values to the variable. By signed mean we can store positive or negative values both. So go through this page completely and understand the mechanism of memory management. Here are data types and size in bytes and size in bits. For example, for unsigned char we have 1 byte memory and 1 byte contain 8 bits. Similarly, for int we have 4 bytes or 32 bits respectively. Please go through this. How can we calculate the range for different data types? We can calculate the range for unsigned data type using this formula. Range is equal to 2 to the power number of bits minus 1. Here number of bits mean how many bits we are giving to each data type. For signed data type we can use the following formula. For positive values we can use the following formula. And similarly for negative values, here is the formula. Suppose we have a data type short and we know from the previous slide that short contain 2 bytes. Or the bytes assigned to the short are 2. We also know that 1 byte contain 8 bits, so the total number of bits for short are 16. To calculate the range of the short, we use the following formulas. On the left side, for unsigned, we use range is equal to 2 to power number of bits minus 1. It will give the range for positive values. To calculate positive and negative values as well, we use the remaining two formulas. There are some user-defined types like string, dates, our user-defined types. We can create our user-defined types by using struct or class keyword. In a real world, we deal with the objects which have different properties like employee. It has name, age, and ID. So we cannot store 3 values in a single data type. So we have to create our own data type. So C++ provides the functionality to create our own data type to work with. We'll discuss more in detail for user-defined types in the upcoming videos. How can we declare a variable? To declare a variable, just write variable name on the left side and assign any value. Then also write the type of a variable. For example, here the variable age is assigned a value of 30. Since 30 is an integer, so the data type of age is int. Also 9.6 is assigned to score. Since it is a floating point number, so the data type of score is float. False is equal to true. Since it is a boolean value, so we use the bool data type. Similarly, my name, it is a sequence of characters, more than one character, so we are using string data type. Here the grade, it contains only single character, so we use a char data type. Suppose you are asked to write a program to store person name and person height. How many data types are needed? What are the name of the data types? Why are the data types you choose are best? Thank you. See you in the next video. Leave down a comment in the comment section if you do not understand anything in this video.